Hello everyone, this is Basu. Upon the request from many of you from different WhatsApp groups, I finally decided to create a new YouTube channel. Before starting anything, let's go through the disclaimer. All the content provided in this video is solely for general interest and educational purpose only. All viewers should seek the expert opinion before acting on anything shown in this material. All the information provided here is solely my personal view, and I am not responsible for any miscommunication or any misinformation or any kind of problems aroused by this video. Okay, with that disclaimer, let's start our session. So as I mentioned earlier, I started the YouTube channel, and it is called Basu and Intraday Guide. In this forum, we will be talking about different aspects of intraday trading as well as swing trading. I'll be posting different useful posts here so that it will be helpful for the newbies and also who are struggling in the stock market. With that introduction, let's start our first video. So in this post, I'll be talking about something called trading profit out, meaning taking the profit out from our trading account, which we won't do 90% of the time, so which is considered as a number one trading rule as per me. Whenever you have profit by market, the first thing you need to do is take the profit out. You can do it either daily or once in couple of days or uh, weekly at the max. So I'll be going through my trading scenario, which my trading style which happened in the last week, so that you will get the more idea on exactly what I'm talking at. So before anything, generally when I trade, I will be having around 50 to 60,000 in my account. So as you can see this, when I started last week, my the amount in my account was 52,105, what you are seeing there. And I'll just explain what is the real need of this and how anyone can benefit out of this funda or whatever the technique we are talking about. So as you can see this, I started the day last Monday with a amount of 52,105. By this I'll be taking you guys through what exactly happened throughout the week. So you can see this, the Monday I got a profit of 27,000. Similarly, on Tuesday, I got a loss of around 3,500, and then Wednesday it was 67,000, and Thursday it was 82,000 profit, and Friday, unfortunately, it was like around 15,000 loss. And overall, I got a profit of 1,60,000 last week. Okay, so the reason why I am saying this, or I have picked this topic, is let me example with a thing what happened today. So with the 50,000 initial cash, I was able to make it a profit of 1,60,000 throughout the week. So which made a total amount of around 2,10,000. So excluding including the taxes, it will be like 2,05,000. So my main thing here is, so as we know, market is supreme all the time, and we can't be correct, or we will not be right all the time. So one bad day may ruin us up. So as you can see this, so when the week finished, I was like having of around 2,05,000 in my account. So as I earlier mentioned, I always trade with around only 50,000 in my account at the start of the week. Okay, not more than that. So what happened is, at the after the trading is done on Friday, I have removed that extra whatever the profit I had gained of around like 1,50,000. I removed it to my bank account. So the next thing, or the main thing of this one is, so I started today which with the account of, with again after removing with the amount of 20,000 to 85. But you can see today I did a trading, and I almost wiped out my 50% of my initial amount, which is like 20, almost 23,000, more than 23,000. So the main reason of making this training session is Had I not removed that 1,50,000 during the weekend, and if I would have traded with that additional amount of 1,50,000, I would have lost 50% of 2 lakhs is almost 1 lakh. So I think you guys are getting what I'm trying to say here. One bad day, so even I made a profit of like four in 5 days, almost 3 days, big profits. So I made that, but after that one, if I had continued and probably if I had done the same trade with whatever the trades I did with a multiple with or with a more quantity of the trades which I had taken, so it would have wiped my 1 lakh rupee out of 2 lakh. So it is always recommended to take out the profit and always play with the minimum amount. So as per me, it is like 50,000. So after this, I just want to add one more thing. So now I have 1,50,000 added to my account now. So now I'm today morning I was left with only 50,000. So now after this loss, after the 23,000 loss today, I have in the account I am hardly left out with the 25,000. So the next thing here I wanted to let you guys know that is for any reason you are not supposed to add any amount to the account now. So you have to try to trade only with this amount until it becomes zero. So it's fine if it is becoming zero in the next 5-10 days, that's fine. But my suggestion for everyone here is to not to add any money until that 50,000 becomes zero. So if you are good enough in trading, probably you can convert that 50,000 to again like a 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, whatever it is. But it is recommended not to add any money once you start losing in that 50,000. So you have to always play with that only 50,000 itself. Okay, so I think you guys got to know what exactly I wanted to uh, tell you guys. So after this, right, after this video, I really need you guys to kind of remember this scenario in your day-to-day trading life, and how you missed taking the profit out from your account when you had a big profit, and with that how much you gave back to the market, or how much you lost because of that one mistake, or a kind of golden rule, taking the profit out which you didn't do. So I just want you guys to just think about it, and please mention that in the comment section so that everyone knows the importance of this taking profit out. Okay, so with this, I conclude the first video of learning, and please subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon below. Also, please don't forget to share so that it can be useful for many people who are just entered or who doesn't know the basics of market. And yeah, please subscribe, and also please leave your comments of what you think about the video. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye guys.